Welcome to Vivocha, the best online customer interaction platform for both small and large companies. Vivocha allows you to interact with visitors on your website using different forms of communication such as chat, VoIP, callbacks, and web leads. This video is here to help you get up and running as fast as possible and start interacting with your clients. First, let me explain a little bit about the Vivocha Console. It's divided into three main sections. At the top of your screen, you can see the Settings and Reports buttons. Next to them, there's the current number of visitors on your site, active widgets, agents online, and active contacts. Widgets shows the amount of engagement widgets on your site that are currently being viewed by visitors. Contacts shows the amount of visitors that you or one of your agents is talking to. To the right, we have the Help button, the Media button, where you can decide what media you want your agent to be active on, the Logout button, and your account name. The majority of your screen is made up of a real-time monitor that shows the activity on your website. It has many different charts to show the visitors, widgets, your personal performance, and the performance of all agents on your account. The last section contains the contact waiting and assigned contact sections, where you will see visitors appear as they request a chat, callback, or VoIP call. It is also where you can communicate with these visitors. Now to get started, you have to paste the Vivocha activation code into your website. Inserting the Vivocha activation code into your website is very simple. Simply copy the code, then paste it right before the closing body tag on your website, like so. Now your widget should be active on your website. Now if you look at your website, you'll see that your new side tab has appeared. You can click on it to start a chat. As you can see, the chat will tell you that it is trying to connect you with the first available agent. If you return to your Vivocha console, you'll see that there is a customer waiting. You can see where they're from, the fact that it's a new visitor, what type of interaction they would like, and the time left until the customer will be disconnected. Simply click on the customer to start the chat. You can start typing right away. The first page is the customer information page. On this page, you can enter the first and last name of your customer, and also their email. You can see what page they are currently looking at, with a small thumbnail showing you exactly what it is, where they are contacting you from. You can also see the number of times they visited your page, the number of times they've contacted you, how many pages of your website they've seen, and how long they have been on your website. Another useful tool that we have is the co-browsing. Co-browsing shows you exactly what page your customer is looking at. It will also follow them if they switch pages. Our next tool is the timeline. This will show how long they stayed on each page of your website. We also have many useful shortcuts full of common phrases so that you can save time writing to your customers. Form sharing, which will allow you to help your customers fill out forms on your website. And also a transfer button so that you can transfer your customer to the agent who is most qualified to answer their questions. If you want to close your chat, simply click on the X. It will allow you to still access the information for the chat in case you want to review it. If you would like to close it permanently, click on the X again. This is the end of the tutorial video. Make sure to click on Help if you have any other questions. Happy to have you on board.